So we've got a number of jobs on our list. Nathan's fixed the doors for the mini barn. We need to clean the chicken coop, trim pigs' litters, and inject the goats of ivermectin. The pigs have been done, so we need to do the goats. But this to help with doing goats' feet and injecting them. It's a little bit easy to manage. I'll insert a picture of it here. It's actually used for doing dogs' nails, but it does work. So we're going to go hang some goats on the rafters and jab them up, and then I'd show you the process, but it's just me and Nathan. It takes 2 minutes to do it, so I'll film what I can and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we've had some really bad storms lately, and we had a really bad one that took about 4 days of high winds and snow, and the goats' shelter and their pen in their paddock completely full of snow. Luckily we brought them into the bigger barn where the pigs sleep. See that? That's where the pigs are, and we've got all this at the front. I'll turn it around so you can see. So this is the front section of the pigs. That's where 3 pigs sleep. We're down to 3 now. So we've got this section here, obviously, because the goats have their mineral, which has got salt in it. Pigs can't have that because they can't process the salt. So the 4 girls are shut into this pen with the hay, water, and you can't see the salt. The mineral, which is back there, is probably not a good place to put that actually. Let's just move this. This is going to stand and poop in it, aren't they? Oh. Let's move that there. Hey ladies. So we've just given Poppy and Willa some ivermectin. As you can see, Willa's got quite balding of the eyes and a bit tufty around the neck. We did think it was a zinc deficiency, so we are still giving her zinc as well, but we're now thinking it might be mites. So we've done 2 of them. We're doing 2 more tomorrow because it's quite a stressful process. And I've trimmed Willa's feet as well. I'll pop a picture up in the top corner of her in a little hanging basket. But yeah, I just dug some of the muck out, so that's what's in this. That's not blood. That's where is it? That's not blood. That is iodine. So we've got this shower curtain across the door. It just keeps out any extra wind, and if it does rain, if it snows, it just keeps it from coming in when we've got the doors open, or a door open. Nathan's fortified the doors because they'd actually dropped and collapsed. Ugh. Looking forward to all this stuff. Okay, so they've now got metal around the edges. And I need to get that in because that's what we used to do with goats. Timber. So let's grab this. Oh, good. Looking forward to getting all this cleaned out once it thaws out. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink. Nathan's trying to clip pig's feet on its own. Nathan's going to find out it's not as easy as it looks. Do you want some help? Okay. Hey Bee, what are you doing? She's come to check out what the piglet's doing. Briar! Where's your brother Gunner? Has he done a runner again? Can I give you that for 2 seconds? I'll just run this over. I'll come back for it. Oh, we've got chickens out. Free chickens. Hi, Bear. I don't know why you're down here. Not as fluffy as the burn is. Okay, let's go over and have a look, if I can get in, what happened with the big ladies. So as you can see, all these drifts. So it's like really shallow here. But if I step in here, my legs disappear. So we'll see where it's compacted. So you can see all the drifts. So these are big electrical wheels. Oh, and then we've got another big drift. This is all flat, just FYI. This isn't like this. Briar, where are you going? So we walk through this. All the snow blown in. So that's their shelter, completely covered in snow. It's melted off a bit now, but oh, way back there, look. So, yeah, the girls are over there. We'll be staying over there until this nasty white stuff disappears. Just banged me noggin on the roof. Ow. The gate's bellowed lock. We need to be better prepared next year, this year, winter. I don't know where Gunner's gone. Oh, he's at the top. Is that him? No, it's a tyre. Where's Gunner? Where's your man? Woof. Woof. Boo. Come on, Teddy. There, you can't get through there. Ted, come on. Teddy. Oh, disappearing doggy. There she goes. Come on then. Ruff. Oh, really, and it's like it's so sunny and blue. It's like -8 before wind chill. I'll put up the top what the wind chill is. I lost one of my bloody dogs. Where is he? Briar. Where is he? Where's he gone? This is the pup. 16 weeks old today. Look at that curly tail. Briar Clark. Whoa. Right. Yes. Dippy dog. But she's taken to farm life and all the animals really, really well. So we're dead pleased with her. Aren't we, Bee? Right, let's go. Get these pigs shut in. We all in? Yeah. There they are. Goats, piggles. Just so that at the top. And then, okay, done. Want to get all this cleaned up, but we need a better way of doing it next winter. But this is our first winter here, so it's kind of in trial and error, mostly error. Oh dear me. Oh blooming heck. I'm stuck. All the locks are bust because the snow has twisted him off. So currently using things like that. Alright, chicken. I know it's fun being out here. You can come out tomorrow. Come on, lovely. Come on. You've got to go that way. That way. Yes, you know. Come on, that way. They're not very brainy, these birds. Come on. She said, don't want to walk on the cold, wet stuff. She got herself around there, can't get herself back. We all good? We all good? Yes? All right, Dave. You're doing it. Yep. Oh, golly. Goodbye, chickadeekers. We're getting about 8 to... Oh, sorry, you're a bit wonky. Just trying to shut that. There we go. About 8 to 11. Whee! Eggs a day right now, which we're quite happy with. And we've still got 5 chicks that'll be Rhode Island Red. Woo, woo, woo. Rhode Island Reds that'll be adding. We'll be adding in. I think 1's definitely a cockerel. 3 are definitely. Oh, here he comes, look. Da-da-dun, da-da-dun. He's my big boy. What's this? Go get it. It's just nothing. Yeah, we've got 1 that we're unsure of. That's whether it's a hen or a cockerel. 3 definite hens, 1 definite roux. So I'm quite happy because I want at least 1 roux because I do want to keep on with the Rhode Island Reds. They're one of the best layers. They start laying a lot earlier than other birds, 18 to 20 weeks. And they're really good, really hardy birds. Nice heritage breed, especially if you're just starting out. Can't go wrong really with the Rhode Island Red. What's she got? Probably pig fudge. That's what we call the poo. The dogs like to eat it. It's gross, I know. So sorry I didn't get to show you anything with the goats. It's so difficult when there's 2 of you because it takes 2 to do it. We're going to have to do the pig trotters tomorrow. Hey boy. Finish cleaning out the chickens tomorrow. We went to CD Saturday in Wolfield today. Gonna be honest, it wasn't really worth the time. We took the burners for a bit of, especially Briar, for socialisation, and Gunnar was there for moral support for her and to get him out and about. He's been stuck and trapped. Not trapped. I mean, look at it. I say trapped, but you know, he's been running free on all this land in the woodland all winter. He's not really been, because the trails are pretty shut down around here, bar maybe 1 this time of year, so they're not really getting out walking. We've had him out a couple of times to local parks, but it's not the same as like really getting out walking. But we took them both into town to, you know, socialise Briar and get Gunnar back used to working on a leash locally, haven't we? But yeah, it wasn't really worth it. I just went, we didn't actually buy anything from there. We kind of went and picked up seeds from the local farmers markets on the way back, which they're all locally, you know, sourced, or, you know, Halifax and the Valley, so, and they're organics. So it didn't really work for us, but it was nice to get a bit of a run out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go I need to do I'm going to pot some more onions, and I'll show you me doing that, and then I'm going to do some soup. I'm going to make some soup, pick some vegetables up from the vegetable, the farmer's market on the way home. I'm going to make some soup, and I'm going to make my own bread to go with it. So I'll see you inside.